Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are well. So, dear students, today I am here with this new chapter of English grammar book, English language, which is chapter 7, A and the, which is chapter 7, A and the. So, dear children, can you take out your English grammar book and open page number 37. Page number 37. Chapter 7. A and the. Okay, so let's start. Can you take out your English grammar book and open page number 37. Today we are going to start a new chapter of English grammar. Okay, so let's start. Now my dear students, A and the. They are called articles, and articles is used for noun, and articles is used for nouns. Okay, A and the is called articles. They are articles, and articles is used for nouns. Articles is used for nouns. Dear children, as you know, there are 26 letters in English alphabet. 26 letters in English alphabets. There are 26 letters in English alphabet. Of these 26 letters, the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. These letters are vowels. These letters are vowels. Okay. The rest of the letters are known as consonants. The rest of the letters are known as consonants. Use of A and the. Use of A and the. They are called articles. A and the. They are called articles. Okay, dear children, there are three articles in English, which is A and the. A and the. Now let's learn use of A. Where we have to use A? We use A if the naming words with a consonant sound. We use A if the naming words with a consonant sound. For example, A ball. A ball. A pen. Okay. Next, A chair. A mango. Okay, dear children, the words ball, pen, chair, mango. Mango, all are names of things. All our names are things. The words ball, pen, chair, mango, they all are things and begins with a consonant. Begin with consonant sound. As you can see, ball, B-A-double-L, ball. B is consonant. Pen, P-E-N, pen. Pen is consonant. C-H-A-I-R, chair. Chair is also consonant. And mango, M-A-N-G-O, mango. Mango, M is consonant. Okay. Begin with a consonant. And all these words are in singular number. All these words are in singular number. Okay. For this we use a ball, a pen, a chair, a mango. These are in singular number. A means one. A ball, a pen, a chair, a mango. These are singular number. Okay. So dear children, now and. We use an if the naming words begin with a vowel sound. We use an if the naming words begin with a vowel sound. For example, an elephant. An elephant. An apple. An apple. An orange. An orange. Dear children, the words elephant, apple, orange. Dear children, the words elephant, apple and orange, they are also names of things. They are also names of things and animals, and they all are in singular number. They all are in singular number. Okay? They are also in singular number. So, but all these begins with a vowel sound. All this begin with a vowel sound. As you can see, E. E is a vowel. A. A is a vowel. Okay. And O. O is a vowel. Okay. So, we use an if the naming words begin with a vowel sound. Here, A. Elephant. E is a vowel. In this also A is a vowel and orange O is a vowel. Okay. We use an if the naming words begin with a vowel sound. The use of the. It generally points out a particular person, place or things. The is generally points out a particular person, place or things. It is used for before the names of rivers, famous historical buildings, mountain ranges, natural bodies, names of newspapers, musical instruments, ocean, holy books and etc. It is used before the names of rivers, famous person, particular famous building, historical building, mountain range and natural bodies. Okay. Name of the newspaper. It is used for, the is used for particular person, things or animal. Okay, the is used for particular person, points out particular person, place or things. Okay, for example, river. River. Okay, the Ganges. So the Ganges is the name of a river. As we know, Ganga. Ganga. Okay. The next, the sun. Dear children, as you know, there is only one sun in whole world. In whole world, there is only one sun. So for this, the sun, we use the. Okay. Next, musical instrument, the violin. 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 Next, famous book. This famous book, holy book is Mahabharata or Gita. So for this we use the Mahabharata. Mahabharata. Okay. So dear children, it generally points out a particular person, place. Now my dear students, we will learn how to pronounce THE, the or the. Okay. It is very important. Normally we pronounce the with a short sound like the. Normally we pronounce with a short sound like the. Okay. Normally we pronounce the. But when the comes before a vowel sound, when the comes before a vowel sound, we pronounce it as a long like the. Okay. For example, here, the sun. The sun. The sun. In this word, sun, S is a consonant. Okay. S is a consonant. So we pronounce it the sun. Okay. So dear students, let's start chapter 7, A and the. A and the. Dear children, these are articles. These are articles. As I taught you, these are articles. There are 3 articles in English. Okay. So these are articles. Let's read the book. Use of A. A is used before naming words that stand for one person or thing and begins with a consonant sound. A is used before naming words that stand for one person or thing and begin with a consonant sound. Okay, dear children, as I taught you, A is used for singular word. A is used for singular word and begins with a consonant. Begins with a consonant. Okay. So let's start. Read the book. Examples. A pear. A pear. A donkey. A flag. A lemon, a cup. Okay, dear students, as you can see, all of these words are in singular number. All of these are in singular number and begins with a consonant sound. Begins with a consonant sound. A pear means यहाँ सिर्फ एक पेयर है. So for this we use A and it begins with a consonant sound. P-E-A-R, pear. Okay. Remember one thing. A is used before naming words that stand for one person or thing and begins with a consonant sound. Okay. Now turn the page. Now open page number 38. 38. Use of an. Use of an. An is used before naming words that stand for one person or thing that begins with a vowel sound. An is used before naming words that stand for one person or thing that begins with a vowel sound. Dear children, we use an if the naming words begin with a vowel sound. As you know, there are 5 vowels in English, which is A, E, I, O, U. Okay? A, E, I, O, U. अगर कोई भी वर्ड, कोई भी शब्द A, E, I, O, U से शुरू होता है तो उसके पहले हम क्या लगाएंगे? A and N. Okay? A and N. For example, an axe. An axe. A-X-E, axe. An orange. An orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. An umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. An owl. A-N-O-W-L, owl. An ant. A-N-T, ant. Sorry, an ant. An igloo. I-G-L-O-O, igloo. An egg. E-G-G, egg. An aeroplane. A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E, aeroplane. An eye. E-Y-E-I, an onion. An onion. O-N-I-O-N, onion. Now dear children, the words axe, orange, umbrella, owl, ant, igloo, egg, aeroplane, eye, onion are also of the name of things. Also name of things. They are also in singular number. They are also in the singular number. As you can see here, only one axe is here, one orange, one umbrella. So they all are things. Okay, and they are also in the singular number, but all these begins with a vowels. Okay, so as you can see, A-X-E, axe means A is a vowel. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. O is a vowel. In this, umbrella, U is a vowel. Owl is a vowel. Ant is a vowel. Igloo, in this, I is a vowel. Egg, E is a vowel. Aeroplane is a vowel. A is a vowel. I, E is a vowel. And onion is a vowel. O is a vowel. So dear children, as you can see, all these words are begin with a vowel sound. So before vowel, we have to use an. Like this: an axe, an orange, an umbrella, an owl, an ant, an igloo, an egg, an aeroplane, an eye, an onion. Okay. Now next, use of the. use of the. Use of the. The is used whenever we speak of some particular person or thing. It is used before the names of rivers, famous historical buildings, mountains ranges, natural bodies, names of newspaper, musical instruments, oceans, holy book, etc. Dear children, examples. The Mahabharata. Dear children, Mahabharata is a holy book. So for this we use Mahabharata, the Mahabharata. The violin, the violin. The Himalaya, the Himalaya. The Ganges, the sun. Okay. Now open page number 39. The Bhagavad Gita. This is also a holy book. The Gateway of India. Gateway of India is historical place. The Jantar Mantar. The Hindustan Times. Hindustan Times is a newspaper, name of newspaper. The harmonium. Harmonium is a musical instrument. Okay. So for musical instrument, name of the paper, newspaper, name of newspapers, musical instrument, holy book and etc. For this we use the. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.